Hello students, today we are going to discuss about continuation of molecular basis of inheritance. In that one, in that the first subtopic is the DNA. Already we studied maximum related to that particular genetic material. Along with this one, what is meant by nucleosome? Nucleosome normally negatively charged DNA helix wrapped all along with positively charged histone proteins. That is we called as nucleosome. Here, how many number of base pairs present each and every nucleosome? In that helix, how many number of base pairs? That is averagely 200. Each and every nucleosome, it contains averagely 200 base pairs. Then theoretically, you say what is the total number of, that means the nucleosomes in that diploid cell. That means it represents, we call as beads on string. So what is the total number of beads? So further, these nucleosomes collectively to form as chromatin, then further formation of this chromatin fiber, later chromosome. Like this continuation is present under. In this one, nucleosome, in this particular nucleosome, how many number of beads are present one diploid mammal cell? Here, diploid cell normally it is present 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9. Each and every nucleosome, that means beads, it is present 200 base pairs. That means then 1 by 200 into 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9. That means averagely it is present 3.3 into 10 to the power of 7 beads. That means nucleosomes. Or averagely 30 millions beads or strings present in a diploid cell of mammalian or related to human being. The total number, averagely it is present, theoretically it is present like this number of this one. Then if you observe inside the nucleus, some of these were dark stains, some are light stains are present. Dark stain, it is, we represent, we call it as heterochromatin. Dark stained one, we represent heterochromatin. This heterochromatin, it is inactive in transcription. It is inactive. Whereas loosely packed arrangement of the particular these strains and that is we call as euchromatin. Lightly stained and loosely packed, that is euchromatin. It is active. It is active for transcription. Then, whereas in this heterochromatin related to after S phase, normally the replication takes place in the cell division during an interphase S particular subphase and all. Here, after starting of the S phase, it ready to replicate, little bit late and all. Here, before S phase, that much actively present, the replication takes place the earlier stage of S phase. This is late stage of S phase. The replication takes place after S phase and all. The replication takes place earlier S phase, that is euchromatin and all. Related to in the chromatin fibers, then fiber chromatin, then it forms as a chromosome that sequence orderly it must be present under. Then according to that Griffith, then in 1950, Griffith one can say related to that transmission principle, transmission of this one, transforming principle, the search for genetic material. But before that one, that one among the scientists in 1950, he must explain about the balancing of nitrogen bases and all. The balancing of nitrogen bases in this 1950s, that is adenine is equal to thymine, or adenine by thymine is equal to 1. Similarly, guanine, cytosine, or guanine by cytosine is equal to 1, or adenine plus guanine is equal to thymine plus cytosine, or adenine plus cytosine, guanine plus thymine. That is also equivalent to, it is also equivalent principle and all. Then where it must unequally it is present, that is A plus T by G plus C may not equivalent. A plus T by, that is G plus C may not be equivalent and all. In this one, some of this one yeast, that is 1.79 value, in this particular area 1.79 area. Then along with this one, mycobacterium, that is 0.40. Then bacteriophage, that is T2, 1.86. So all these particular aspects and all, this is in that A plus T by G plus C may not equivalent to 1 and all. If it is advanced organism, always higher value it is present. Whenever primitive organism, it is present lower value and all. Advanced organism, higher value, that whereas primitive organism, lower values are present related to these particular aspects and all. So these are, in primitive, it is present little bit lower value, in higher, that means advanced organism, related to higher value. Primitive organism, lower value is present. This, all these particular explained about that Irwin Chargaff. According to Irwin Chargaff, all these explained. Already you know, according to that Watson and Crick, DNA is a double helix structure and all. In this one, that 5' to 3', 3' to 5', it will be present. In related to DNA, that is 3' to 5'. This particular helical, this particular arrangement of this particular moment of this strand, we call as template strand. Or antisense codon, Then similarly 5' to 3', that is we called as non-template strand or coding strand. Non-template or coding strand or antisense codon. There is antisense codon. So parallelly it is moving because of most of the eukaryotic, all eukaryotic organisms, it is linear in shape and freely ending, it is present and in bacteria as well as some of the organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, the circular DNA is present. That ending it must be closed and all, it must be binded and all. It is not freely ending position, but linear position of DNA only freely it is present. Whereas in circular one, it must be fused and all. That is, then related to this DNA molecule, who is the scientist first synthesized in artificially in 1957 in 19 Korenberg. Korenberg synthesized DNA in vitro culture. That's why he, along with his colleagues, got Nobel Prize and all. Who is the first scientist who synthesized that artificial DNA? That is Korenberg. That is, so that is related to, that is euchromatin as well as heterochromatin. Then what is it by non-histone, that is a chromosomal, non-histone chromosomal protein and all. Then already histone proteins are present, that is it forms into the nucleosome and all. Then further formation of chromatin, then it required other than histone proteins. Further proteins also required. The proteins other than nucleosome, further formation, that is called as non-histone chromosomal proteins or NHC and all. That is, so related to next subtopic, that is 6.2, the search for genetic material. The search for genetic material here, different scientists, they must search. Before that one, already we studied about principles of inheritance, that is Mendel and chromosomal theory of inheritance, that is related to Bateson and Punnett, these scientists and all. Then related to nucleon in 1859, that is that scientist Frederick Mischer, they also said, all these particular scientists, what they said, related to this particular genetic material present on chromosome. What is the particular genetic material? They did not explain it in practically. Later, the particular scientist, they must be explained, because in Principles of Inheritance 1866, that Mendel explained about this one. Then later in this research under that Griffith scientist 1928 explained about what is the genetic material which transfer from one to another one, either parent to offspring one. That is, here in this Griffith has taken that bacteria, in that bacteria Streptococcus pneumonia or Diplococcus pneumonia. He has taken bacteria, that is Streptococcus pneumonia, that bacteria, or it causes pneumonia disease. Not only this one, Diplococcus pneumonia also causes pneumonia. In this Streptococcus pneumonia, he has taken the two strains under, that is S3 strain and R2 strain. He has taken two strains. S for smooth, that is smooth capsid coated, that is the polysaccharide coated. Wherever the smooth polysaccharide coated one, this is the smooth one, this is the rough one. Wherever smooth one, it may be causes, it may be leads to the virulent one, poisonous one. Rough coated, without a capsid coat, along with these strains and that is non-virulent. After extracted these two types of these strains under, first S strain injected into mice and all. S strain, the live, it must injected into the mice. Here, S strain, that is the live bacteria that is injected into mice, then whenever injected into mice, then mice is died because of it is a virulent, it causes to the pneumonia, then mice died because of it is a virulent one. Then similarly, R strain, the live bacteria injected into mice, the mice alive, it is survival. Then related to that heat killed S strain, then injected to mice, the mice alive because of heat killed means whatever chemicals present inside that one, everything it will be destroyed and all. Related to then heat killed S strain plus R strain, that is the live one. Then that some mice died. Why these some mice? It must be died and all. So some material, some information, some chemicals transfer after heat killed whatever S strain, it transfer into R strain, living and all. Then automatically it converted, it become as this one virulent. Then it causes pneumonia. So automatically that particular mice will die and all. Here, what is the chemical? What is the biochemical? But Griffith scientists did not explain about the particular biochemical which transfer from S heat killed S strain to as well as R strain. Then automatically these particular mice will be died and all. Then who must be explained? That Griffith scientist said only one chemical transfer. What is the exact chemical? What is the specific genetic material? But they thought like protein, any other chemicals and all. But in 1933 and 44, later the scientists will be proved and all. 1933 and 44, that is average and McLeod and McCarthy. These three scientists explained biochemical nature of genetic material which transfer that heat killed S strain to the living R strain. They explained about biochemical nature of genetic material. In the statement level, it is very easy, but in some point of view, statement level, which concept Griffith did not explain, biochemical nature of particular chemical which transfer that heat killed that S strain into the living R strain, then it may be causes to death and all. He did not explain. Who must be explained? That Aubrey McLeod McCarthy, that particular one. In this they have taken in culture media. Primarily, they also expected like proteins. This scientist has taken in that culture media already heat killed S strain. In that culture media, here culture media plus proteins for S strain and all. Proteins of S strain. Here already inside the living R strain it will be present. up to here, or strains already it will be present and all. That in this culture medium, proteins of S strain. In this culture medium, they have taken, that means in culture medium plus RNA of S strain. Similarly here in culture media, S strain of DNA plus DNase. In this culture media, they have taken and done. That is common rough condition. In this culture media, the S strain of DNA, they have taken. Here, one among the area, it converted. In this. So, according to this particular experiment, we know about in the culture medium, S strain of DNA. S strain DNA only transfer from heat killed of S strain to the, or it converted. Then only some of these mice died. Remaining, the culture media strain of DNA is there. But apart from DNase is there, what is the difference between DNA and DNase? DNA is the genetic material. DNase is the enzyme. What is the important role of DNase? DNase acts as an important role to denaturation, to splitting of that phosphodiester bond, whatever present in nucleic acid and all. It is not survival, it is not to keep as it is and all. So that is an important role and all. That's why even though DNA is there, it becomes breakdown because of DNase and all. It breaks down phosphodiester. That's why no one may not be transferred, even though one can add it. All are strain only. Here one area only, it will be present. One among the R, it converts into the S because of DNA. Remaining, no one may not, even though added S strain and all. So finally, they concluded DNA is the biochemical, the nature of genetic material which transfer heat killed S strain to the living R strain. Then it may possible or some of these for death of this particular mice and all. Then apart from this one, in 1952, one more experiment for search for genetic material. According to this, DNA is the genetic material. It is not at all either a protein, RNA or related to any other chemicals and all. Then in 1952, that is Hershey and Chase scientists explained about bacteriophage, especially transduction. They explained about transduction. What is the way transduction? Genetic material of bacteria transfer from one organism to another one. So, especially genetic material of bacteria from one bacteria to another bacteria transfer with the help of bacteriophage or bacterial viruses. That is we called as that transduction and all. With the help of transduction, they explain it. First of all, they have taken bacteriophages. What type of bacteriophages? Two bacteriophages and all. That is T2 bacteriophages. They have taken T2 bacteriophages. In this one, both bacteriophages cultured in that particular radioactive culture media and all. In this one among these bacteriophages, they cultured into that S35. radioactive culture media. Another few more type of T2 bacteriophage, P32 radioactive culture. So first of all they collected bacteriophages, then they inserted into the culture media. One among the culture media S35 that indicates formation of sulfur containing of amino acids and all, like cysteine, such type of amino acids and all. Then P32, the radioactive, that particular radioactive culture and all, then it is not possible formation of amino acid, it is one type of the nucleotides and all. So automatically it may be possible, it must present related to nucleic acid, that is the genetic material, nucleoid, that is related to nucleotide and all. Then these two types of bacteriophages. First, one can insert it to the bacteria. What type of bacteria they have taken normally which are present inside in our body? There is E. coli bacteria. They have taken normal cultured E. coli. E. coli bacteria did not culture any type of radioactivity. It is present normal cultured bacteria. Then that's why here different in this particular bacteria infection or it must be infect. It must be infect, then blending, then centrifugation. That's why it is recorded as blending principle. It is recorded as blending principle. Related to, in that Griffith we called as transforming principle. Related to Griffith. Griffith scientist, one can say the transforming principle. Any one chemical transfer from one organism to another organism. He did not explain. But finally, these three scientists explained about that biochemical transforming natural particular genetic material, one can say. Similarly, here also transduction, the transforming particular chemical. That two differentiation you must recognize. Then in this normal, here blending principle involved under first infection. These two different cultures under. Suppose the first step is the infection, then blending, then centrifugation. These three steps are involved. One among these were in that infection, that E. coli bacteria, then it is already, we take that bacteriophages. In this bacteriophage, in this one, this is protein coat. Protein coated means S35. Protein coat, that is a radioactive. Radioactive protein coat is present. Normal genetic material is present here. Then similarly, one more E. coli. There, the dotted, for understanding purpose, dotted one, it is radioactive DNA. That means P32, here S35. Here infection means whatever material, it will be transferable. Here in our book they have given two bacteriophages. For understanding purpose I said only one and all. Actually here one more also one can put. Bacteriophage. It will be transferable. It will be infected and transferable. Or if you want one more, which are ready to here also. Then related to blending and all. Blending it completely because of protein code. In that protein code, it is 2. It is present under. Here also this is the blending process. Then centrifugation, if you observe that centrifugation, but here may not identify it very clearly. Another experimental purpose one can know about this one. Here radioactive supernatant radioactive elements are observable. No radioactive present inside the bacterial cell. That is very important. After centrifugation, no radioactive elements are present inside the bacteria. But radioactive element present supernatant, whereas observable radioactive elements are present in supernatant. Supernatant it will be present under. Similarly here also. Here for understanding purpose reversely one can draw. But whereas P32, wherever one can take in here, P32 here, especially radioactive elements are present inside the bacterial cell. But there is no supernatant, there is no radioactive elements present on supernatant and all. Here, this is according to our textbook under. But they have given similarly for easy understanding purpose. Here, if you draw like this manner, like very simple, related to test tube bundle, one among these one, S35, another one P32. Here, if you taken in this culture media, this is the bottom of the culture media in the S32, it is no radioactive, only the normal bacteria are present, no radioactive element, but in supernatant, a specific, this is we called as supernatant. This particular area. Here nothing will be present. Here these are we called as pellet. The weight which are present in bacteria, it is present the underneath part of the particular test tube and all. These are pellet and all. Apart from this one, some of this one radioactive. Apart from radioactive nucleotide containing of pellet, that means the weight of that particular bacteria also observable here, but in supernatant no radioactive elemented that proteins, they may not be present. So based on this one, which particular chemical, which particular material transferable proteins may not transfer from one organism to another organism. The transferable chemical, the transferable material, that is DNA. DNA only transferable. Here also, because of DNA, it is a radioactive. That's why it transmit inside the bacteria. But here protein may not be transferred. That's why it is a superficial part, superior part, very freely floating on the surface of culture. That's why supernatant of radioactive it is present. Here no radioactive. Why? Because radioactive elements that is a nucleotide. That means related to DNA material. It present inside the bacteria may not be present. The supernatant. Here S35 all are supernatant proteins and all may not be inserted inside the bacteria. So based on this experiment, DNA is a genetic material. It is transferable from one organism to another organism.